Very good afternoon, everyone. I would like to welcome you all for this NSS Day celebration 2020. Let's welcome our special chief guest, Dr. R. Annadurai. He is from NSS Program Coordinator, Bardiyar University, Coimbatore, and resource person, Rotarian AP Sriram Sir. He is the soft skill trainer, NLP practitioner, hypnosist, chronic care member of Andhra Pradesh Healing Association West, club secretary, and Rotary Club of Coimbatore district. So I welcome you all for this program.
Good afternoon to you all. We all know every beautiful person is not healthy, but every healthy person is always beautiful, right? By saying these words, my kind NSS Day wishes to you all, and a warm word of welcome to every participant gathered here for our NSS Day celebration. Prayers always gives us the energetic day throughout. I kindly welcome Aradhita for the prayer song.
സച്ചിദാനന്ദരൂപമേ നന്മതൻ കേദാരമേ സത്തായ മാർഗം തെളിച്ചിടുവാൻ സത്യസ്വരൂപാവിപോ നീ സത്യസ്വരൂപാവിപോ ജീവിത നൗക തുഴഞ്ഞിടുവാൻ ദേവാവരമരുളൂ ഭുവനേകു ശാന്തിതൻ പൂന്തിന്നൽ വീശാൻ ഭുവനേശ്വര കൈ തൊഴുന്നേ.
Now, it's my great honor to invite Professor Sujata Ameline Nancy ma'am to deliver the welcome address. Welcome you, ma'am.
It's my immense pleasure to welcome our guest of honor, Dr. R. Annadurai, for this NSS Day celebration. He's NSS Program Coordinator, Bardiyar University, Coimbatore. Our university is always helping us for our NSS activities in a great manner for the past years. And I welcome Mr. AP Sriram Sir, who is the soft skill trainer and Rotary Club member. I welcome you, sir.
My next turn, sincerely, I would like to invite Dr. B. Sadish Kumar, Principal, AGK College of Arts and Science, for the presidential address. Welcome you, sir.
Once again, I would like to welcome Chief Guest of today's program, Dr. Annadurai, NSS Program Coordinator, Bardiyar University, Coimbatore. Keynote Speaker of the day, Mr. Sriram, NLP Trainer and Secretary of Kotudur Road Club. My dear faculty members, NSS Program Coordinator, Dr. Jaspriya and Sujita, and other NSS volunteers. Very good evening. Dear students, today we are celebrating the NSS Day. So 51 years are over. So NSS started the year 25th December 1969. 21 years over. The main motto of this SS, you know very well, not me, but you. So this is the main motto of NSS. The main objective of this NSS, personality development through social welfare activities and community services. This is the main objective of NSS. According to me, JK College of Arts Science through National Service Scheme, we are doing lot of activities. There is no doubt. I really thank the two program coordinators, Dr. Jaspriya and Madam Sujata, and also particularly the students. Without your support, we cannot take many activities through NSS. So you are all the galaxy of NSS as well as stage of art science. Here university support a lot continuously the sub from Bharatiya University to underwriter has team. Thank you for your help, support. I would like to thank Sriram sir. I think according to my knowledge, last 2 years, more than 54 progress we conducted jointly with the Rotary Club Kovadur. So really, I want to thank you. They are all living in a very pandemic environment. Medical MNC period, we are all living. So it's quite 90 totally changed our life. There is no doubt. But one thing we should understand, we have to work for this. So nowadays, the NSS role is very, very important in every place. So I'd like to thank and congratulate all the NS volunteers as well as the NS program officers. Thank you. Wish you all the best. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to take my responsibility to introduce our special guest, Dr. R. Annadurai sir, NSS Program Coordinator, Bharatiya University, Coimbatore. He secured 3 university first rank holders, Master of Physical Education at Bharatiya University, MPhil at Alagappa University, and secured highly recommended awards. Apart from his well performance in studies, he did NIS at Kariyavatam LNCPE, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, secured triple first class in volleyball discipline. He acted as coach for Bharatiya University volleyball team since 2008 and secured second position at South Zone Inter-University Volleyball Tournament and third in All India Inter-University Volleyball Tournament. He wrote 5 books, 48 journals, 26 articles in connection with education, physical education, nutrition. By saying that he had attended 55 national seminars and conferences, I would honorably invite Dr. R. Annadurai sir to deliver his inspiration, thoughts and views on words on freedom for health risk. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you very much for our nice introduction. AJK College Adam, because both are served dedication service for our university as a syndicate member past 3 years. So his tenure, he has given those more opportunity to develop for a university development. So thank you very much, madam, on behalf of NSL. And I congratulate and greet the principal who have given a valuable information to briefly in the president's address. I congratulate all the. This is a fine day. Today we are celebrating NSS Day. So everybody have such a way of different opinion, different aspects. But we started the NSS program in our nation the same in the 1969, because our Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, President of India, he has started the program. It's the main motto of the program, all the good things to reach the particularly to development of the rural people. And our Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru has started the program with the started of 13 university and 40,000 students. Now the Bharatiya University have also more than 26,500 volunteers. Really, I'm proud as a NSS program coordinator of Bharatiya University to operate at colleges. We are, I'm not compared with other universities, but we are one of the best in their universities. We secured at national level 815th rank. The only arts and science university has secured the Times of India and Shanghai from the China valuation. And in our national, we have 13th rank. These are the things, it comes only the profile along joined with the NSS program, because no other university has such a way of getting like this type of units. We have more than 265 units. So in all we have taken over the familiar persons. They may be educationist or politician or actors who are maybe there. When they are studying in their college, they should have participated in the NSS program because it takes you. Not only the motto, it's not me for you. So we live with others. So in Tamil stands one, Kavimani Desiya Vinayam Pillai said that உண்பவர்கள் இன்புற்று இருக்கையே உன்னெஞ்சை தொட்டுப்பார் காணும் இன்பம். இது உலகத்திலேயே இன்பம் எதுன்னா பிறரை சாப்பிட்டு மகிழ்விப்பதுன்னா. சாப்பிடணும் நாட் ஓன்லி ஃபார் ஃபுட், ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரி திங் தோஸ் ஹூ ஆர் சர்வைவல் about their food or basic life requirement, you will be going to fulfill that, you will be getting more. So the service is needed. So work nature is everybody has work nature, because without work we would not survive the basic requirement to fulfill our needs. But when we go to the work, come to the service. When we work dedicated, automatically the service it counts. Today I had about one webinar to join with Madurai Purna Sundari. Heard about the name of Purna Sundari? Recently she has passed the IAS examination, 286th rank. The only information she have into both eyes. She didn't see. He have both eyes, but he would not see. So vision is 60 or 70% of vision he would not see. But even though she has passed the IAS examination, she attempted 4 more times. How she has taken effort, because we should have good vision. But how many people we are getting something about the achievement to take over that? So organ is assist us. Here I would like to live lifestyle activities, because due to the COVID-19, this epidemic period has given lesson as the important aspect of health. Health is a more important aspect, isn't it? நோயற்ற வாழ்வே குறைவற்ற சொல்வோன்று. ஸோ சுவரி இருந்தால் தான் சித்திரம் தீட்ட முடியும். அழகா சொல்வான் பாரதி, தோலை வலிமையுடையதாக்கி உடற் சோர்வும் பின்னி பலவும் போக்கி அறிவாளை கொண்டு விளந்தாலும் கட்டு மாறா உடலுறுதி வேணும் என்று அன்னை பராசக்திரம் வர வேண்டினான். ஸோ we are not supposed to such as like of more strength life, but we should need living lifestyle activity without disease like this type of virus. Even this virus has affected from the Asian athletes and international athletes. In the world beauty women, Aishwarya Rai also affected. So the coronavirus never lived to anybody else. The doctors said those who have get good immunity, they may be skip over, they may be get good health. They have not affected by the corona. So how we get the immunity? Because you should have a good health, you are going to contribute the good society. You have give the good pillar of our nation. Instead of wealth nation, health nation is a better. Now one is everyone attention. Even Finland, it is the most happiest world in the best country. Even the education, everything, the people are so happy. But they having to know such a way of nature. Through nature only we have to develop our immunity. Because through nature mean, for example, sun. From sun only we get it the vitamin D itself. Through vitamin D itself only we have to get it the melatonin. The melatonin is a natural immunity, natural secretion of living. Without when the sun set, melatonin should be secreted. When the sun rise, automatically it stopped. Then only our Tamil ancient poem who have quoted 2000 years before. உண்பது என்பது இருபொழுதொழிய மூன்று பொழுது உண்ணும், உறங்குவது இரவொழிய பகலுறக்கம் கொள்ளும். உறங்குவது இரவொழிய பகலுறக்கம் கொள்ளும். பெருந்தாகம் எடுத்திடும் பெயர்த்தினில் அருந்தல் வேண்டாம், நண்புற உண்ட பின்பு குழுவிடாய் பயில்வோம். These are the 4 stands are very important to aspect for the nutrition concern. The same as Valvar Prandhai, they have also quoted a wonderful stance. அற்றது அறிந்து கடைபிடித்து மாறல்ல, துய்க்கத்து உரப்பசித்து மறந்தன வேண்டாவாம் யாக்கைக்கு கணிதற்றல் போல் ஊனி. So without experimentation, without any surveys, how the people have said, now every world has accepted the true sentence of ability. So as human beings, the death it comes only 2 ways. Most of the studies have proved. Because of it may be one accident, we should precautionally we can move from one to another places. And another one is food. So most of the disease comes in our body through food. Now this COVID, it will be, no one should not find out this vaccine. Suppose we have find out the vaccine, we will say from there the virus. But apart from that, the people has died more affected of the diseases, which one like as coronary heart diseases and diabetes, cholesterol. Even we have more than 135 crore people. We do exercise regularly, only 19% of the people. When we compare with the European women and Indian women, there is a 35% difference between the lung capacity. So even we have get natural immunity, then only we have to get some like this type of virus may be affected, but if they come to rehabilitate immediately within 5 days or 10 days, because the natural immunity given by goddess. So I would like to here given the vital point, the very important to how we develop our natural immunity. So everybody have the same organ in the worldwide. For example, the Usain Bolt, the world fastest runner in the world. Usain Bolt வேகமா ஓடுறாங்கிறதுக்காண்டி அவருக்கு கூட ஒரு ஆர்கன் எதுவும் இறைவன் கொடுக்க கிடையாது. So எல்லாத்துக்கும் என்னமோ அதான். But he has developing like this. So even I would here before I said Purnama Sundari from Madurai. So she has also served in the NSS program when she was studying in the schools and colleges. More than 4 years. She is dedicated, then only she come to like this. She said, so we are facing such a way of any events or any type of tasks we carry over, we go to travel the same task with the achieve our target. To move to achieve, that is a self-intrinsic motivation. First, we have to move to yourself. That is a more important aspect for everyone. So here, the way of food only I would like to share with you people, because all you have as per the World Health Organization advised us the requirement of the food like as a kilocalories. So as a person, those who are getting how many kilocalories, that is a questionable one. You may be calculated your own kilocalories. You have your body weight multiplied with 24 hours. That is the requirement of your kilocalories. For example, 50 kg. A 50 kg person required 24 multiple with 24 hours today per day, 24 hours. So 24 hours multiple with your own body weight. We get the score that you call your requirement of the kilocalories. So a 50 kg person per day, she required only 1200 kilocalories. In the 1200 kilocalories, carbohydrate have only 50 to 55%, fat have required 30 to 35%, and the protein have only 10 to 15%. If we have intake of carbohydrate type of food, it will be accumulated, assimilated, and converted as energy within 4 hours. Fat required 30 hours, protein required 48 hours. So, for example, in Borota, a single Borota have minimum 350 to 400 kilocalories. A single Borota without any gurma or salna or some other chicken and mutton. A single Borota have. Suppose a person, 50 kg person, they may be intake more than 3 Borotas per serving. Automatically across the requirement of the kilocalories per day, 1200 kilocalories. What about the breakfast? What about the lunch? Isn't it? So that will be accumulated fats. This is accumulated fats. So the accumulated fats only it created very dangerous situation at the age of 40 and 50, even the 17 also. So the way of food, how we are going to convert its energies. We started our natural immunity program from our mouth. Now, even the most bacteria have living in our mouth only. So the all virus should be have entered easily through mouth and the nose. It will be easily go to the epiglottis, because whenever the food have chew the food and swallow, it will be through the epiglottis closed, automatically go to the esophagus. So everybody have 636 muscles and 200 bones. How one correlated to another, that is a more important one. So the rigidity of the muscle, it takes more. So in our body, that is a powerful bone is jaw. Because of it, it will be placed on the teeth. The teeth purpose is we have crushed the food. The only purpose, there is no other way. So we have crushed the food. How we have crushed the food? We have to close your lips, because உடலை காற்றடைத்த பையடான் இருக்கும். நம்ம உடம்புக்குள்ள ஏற்கனவே காற்று இருக்கு, வெளிக்காற்று உள்ள போக முடியல. அப்போ என்ன ஆகும்னா டயலின். when you close and chew the properly, minimum 25 times you put to chew the properly, automatically salivary glands should be secreted. In the salivary glands, the dyline, that is most important aspect of the dyline, is a sugar content proteins. So it will be close our molded with our food content. Automatically we have to get it more smoothly. This தமிழ்ல சொல்லணும்னா நீரை உணவாக இருந்து உணவை நீராக இருந்து. So you have to chew the food, and after when we swallow, the epiglottis closed, the esophagus way they moved, and the way middle bolus. The bolus has created a wonderful, powerful glands to molded our food, because we have intake design like as a circle, triangle like this. So the food only travel to move to the stomach, the rucae. Rucae is one of the voluntary muscle contraction. When the muscle contraction, automatically in the hydrochloric fluid should be secreted. The hydrochloric fluid is a very powerful fluid in our body. So in it secreted, it diluted our food and sent out to the chyme. And when the food goes to the chyme before goes to the small intestine, which one fluid secreted from the liver and the pancreas. And the small intestine have more than 21 square feet. There is a three ways: jejunum, ileum, ileum. More than each have 7 feet. And after that, it moves go to the large intestine. In the large intestine, a lot of bacteria affected and get the working muscles to nature which one you required. And in the meantime, a lot of blood vessels have for immediately requirement of the energies. For example, now I have talked with you. I have more than 75 muscles are contracted. You may be simple listen, be sit, your comfortable zone, but you have also more than 56 muscles are contracted. Now I have talked with you, my mind have more fast, more than 150 kilometers fast. I would collect only 100 words. I would collect more than 500 words, but I have spelled out only 100 words. What about the 400 words? That is a loss of energy, isn't it? So like us, then only where most of the person has told that is very, very important to energy system. So this is a process. This is a digestive process. In this period, so everyone have to take our more important, very simple principles. Whether you may be intake vegetarian or non-vegetarian, that is doesn't matter about that. Suppose Eskimo, those who are living in the snowing areas, suppose you are going to advise to them, like as you are maybe brinjal or little finger better for health. How do people get it that? They don't know when the animal should be died. See, they are intake only that type of foods only. You would witnessing about our adventure, grilled beers. He went adventure. The time he feel hungry. Whatever he is doing, he had taken the frag and immediately pick out and they automatically he eat. When he thirst water, what he did, you know everything. So like us, our organ has the same, our organ has ready to absorb anything. So you heard about the name of Oscar Pistorius. He having to bought the leg. He ran on the track 10.5 seconds. Even the best time in India, 10.1 seconds. Now he is no more. But he assisted with called as a blade runner. Even Tangam Maripan, the high jumper, without a single leg, he jumped over more than 1.71 meters. So without unique which you see from Australia, he having to both the leg, both the arm, but his address is the most familiar in the personality speaker. Like us, organ assists us, but the internal system, that is a digestive system, is very, very important one. We have regulated, we have formulated, we have go through the principles. The principle is more important one. 2000 years before, our Thariyar Tolkappiyar said, Nanbura unda bunbu kurunadel bailvo. How the science stands there. Unbadu என்பது இரவொளி உறங்குவது என்பது இரவொளியை பகலுறங்க கொள்ளும். Because the night time only the melatonin should be secreted. The melatonin is close associated with the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus close to the pineal gland. The pineal gland close associated with the insulin secretion. So then only he said, உண்பது உறங்குவது என்பது இரவொளியை பகலுறங்க கொள்ளும். And another important sense, பெருந்தாகம் எடுத்திடில் பெயர்த்திடில் அறிதல் வேண்டாம். இருந்தாகும் எடுத்திடனும் பெயர்த்தினில் அர்த்தம் வேண்டாம். நிறைய பேர் பேப்பர்ல புக்ஸ்ல அட்வைஸ் இந்த நேச்சுரல் பேர்லாம் சொல்லுவாங்க, சாப்பிடும்போது தண்ணி குடிக்காதீங்க, சாப்பிட்ட பிறகு 20 நிமிஷம் தண்ணி விடுங்க, 30 நிமிஷம் தண்ணி விடுங்க. 2 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி அவர் சொல்லிட்டு போயிட்டார். பிகாஸ் த வாட்டர் இஸ் த டிரான்ஸ்போர்டேஷன் ஆஃப் த நியூட்ரிஷன் டு த ஒர்க்கிங் மசில்ஸ். ஸோ லைக் அஸ் our important organs and important things, how we are maintaining our health, that is more important one. Okay, so
time spend ചെയ്യുന്ന പറഞ്ഞപ്പോഴാണ് എന്റെ ഫോട്ടോസ് ഒക്കെ റിലീസ്.
Because I'm told that like this type of epidemic period maybe comes or goes out, even our health and the principles of nutrition is more important when we go to the suggestion of the categories of nutrition. So you have to follow these principles. You have get good development of your immunity for ever. So such a few words, you should follow this principle. You have good immunity. Automatically you have get good natural immunity. You have to get more perceptions. You should understand easily everything, and you have to remember everything. So like us, you have to change your food habitual hereafter, because most of the foreign foods we have come to the market, but even though we are not swallow out that type of food, like as a pizza, not pizza called as pizzas, like as we have getting the food there, we are not swallow that food, we even a little bit chew it on the food. But our traditional food like is idli, dosa and rice, these are things we have to swallow. That's what most of the studies has proved. Most of the Indians get the diabetes. We are the first position the diabetes, and some of the coronary heart diseases, and some of the accumulated fats. These are the things, it comes only the secretion of the fat to out of the natures. So the fluid which one to secrete, to dilute it, to change the food to convert it as energy, that is the most important aspect. This is one. So such a few words. These are the things, because when we feel hungry, we don't know anything. In Tamil, they have a good thing. பசி வந்தால் பத்தும் பறந்துன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. மானம், குணம், கல்வி, வன்மை, அறுவடமை, தானம், தவமுடிச்சி, தானாமை, தேனின் கொசி வந்து சொல்லுமே காமுறுதல், பசி வந்தால் பத்தும் பறந்துன்னு இருக்கான். இது காதலை சொல்றது கூட இருக்கு, நான் சாப்பிட்டு வந்து சொல்றேன் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி இருக்கணும். அந்த அளவுக்கு பசி வந்தாத்தான் அதோட கொடுமை தெரியும். Because we are such a way we get all the energy systems. So these are the only thing we get, follow these principles, automatically we get natural immunity. We have to get the natural, but it did not goes to here and there, because the dylan, when the dylan secretion in the salivary glands, the salivary glands in the dylan secretion, automatically the insulin secretion started. So one correlated to another correlated to another. So we would have developed our strength, and the flexibility is a very important component, that is no doubt it. But the strength can be developed at the age of any age. Heard about the name of Fauja Singh? He is one of the Indian. Now she lived in the London. He ran marathon at the age of 106. At the age of 106, he ran marathon. You would believe it? Because the marathon distance is more than 48 kilometers, 385 yards. Arunima Singha from Maharashtra, she haven't about the leg. Now she climbed over all the world in the peak, in like us in the Everest and the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. Why I'm telling that? The organ has assisted us, but it never equally to accretion for our nutrition glands only. You should follow, you should have keep the principles, what your target, what your aim, because malam sikkalnale manam sikkal da. So you should follow these principles, you will never constipation like that. So our organ has freely move, freely get, so you never get tired, you never fatigue. So like is one to another, and the most important aspect of the emotional aspect, like a stress, tension, anxiety. So this is the most important aspect, because the hydrochloric fluid has a wonderful fluid and very powerful fluid in our body. And recently, I would like to example in the Coimbatore Rex Hospital, one two-wheeler mechanic. He has intake more alcohol. Sometimes he maybe get it bold and nut. He intake that. He get more feel stomach pain. He went to doctors. Doctors has seen and give the prescription. Immediately he intake tablets. The pain may be relieved, but it continues. After that, a long period, he has taken an X-ray. They find out some of the unnecessary things in the stomach. The doctor said they immediately go to make operation. After that, we get a he get 1-2 nuts and bolt, because at the time of alcohol consuming, he swallowed that. Because there is no power to dilute that type of what we call dilute in the hydrochloric fluid. Because God knows, God has given knowledges what things we are eat, what things we do not eat. So why I'm telling that these are the things are very, very important one. So this is a nature. This is a philosophy. So you have everybody have get good immunity. Everybody have get a good immunity. This immunity have always kept in our body, in our nature. We live with the nature because we are going to following these principles. That's enough. This is for your kind information. So God has given wonderful living organisms of human beings, our body structure, our body alignment, everything the same. How you are traveled within your lifestyle. How we are going to take the nutrition principles. According to that only you have to get good nutrition aspects. So such a few words. Today I have NSS day because I have accepted so many invitations. Some unavoidable circumstances, because as a coordinator I should be encourage our program officers, those who are conduct like this type of program, and our lovable volunteers. I would like to give you an important message for your lifestyle activities. So you keep it and follow the same. You have get good health and you make also good society. And everyone, I would like to congratulate the program officers, and I directed all the volunteers. You have go and assist our program officers. What are the duties to have contribute to the society? You are assisted, and the AJK College has one of the familiar about the social service, and the ma'am Bindu ma'am has our syndicate members past 3 years. She has very close association with all the program from the Bharatiya universities. So I congratulate the program coordinators who have organizing this webinar, and I thank you very much for the principal who have given the opportunities. I congratulate the new volunteers, those who have joined the NSS program. Thank you very much for you giving me these opportunities with a few words. Thank you very much for this day, and a happy day of NSS Day. Thank you very much.
A great thanks to you, sir, for spending your valuable time and valuable words to us. So next, sincerely, I would like to welcome Reverend A.P. Sriram, sir, soft skill trainer, NLP practitioner, hypnosis, chronic hair, member of Andhra Pradesh Healing Association, Best Club Secretary, Rotary Club of Kovaipudu District, to this wonderful section with full heart of love. Kindly welcome you, sir.
Before I would start, I would like to thank Dr. Annadurai for his wonderful speech, because it is very much related what I'm going to talk with you people. And I should thank AGK Principal Sir and Jasmine Madam and the coordinators and the NSS volunteers. Really, it is very happy to have an interaction with you people. Just before me, Dr. Annadurai Sir made a wonderful presentation, what to eat, how to eat, what is the digestion system, and how it helps. Now it is very easy for me to carry over further, so that we can have a wonderful discussion. I thought of having a 20 minutes program, then I will have a discussion. Since it is very interesting, I would like to have an interaction session rather than going for a continuous talk. Fine. Now we will start with some important aspects. And as Sir rightly said about the physical health, now I'm going to talk about the mental health. As rightly said by Doctor, and we have a lot of new thoughts and ideas which created due to this pandemic. We never expect in our life that we are going to pass us through such a crunch situation. In my 44 years of experience, I never heard the train is being stopped for a long period, even the buses, even the flights. Such a pandemic created a lot of bad impacts in our day-to-day life. Many people lost their job. Many people suffered because of this pandemic. Some of our friends might have been suffered, or some of them passed through because of this pandemic. Some of us might have lost our relatives and friends too. But we are alive, and how we are going to cope up with the pandemic situation and what next, because the situation is going to be over, or it's going to prolong for a while, then we are going to have a normal life. So far, we never think about such a situation isolating our home and sitting in a classroom like a home, and we never used to go away freely. Even without a mask, we couldn't talk to our friends, we couldn't stay any other relative's house, and it made us a lot of mental health problem within us. The loneliness, the fear, the stress, anger, everything. If I'm not mistaken, you might have been suffering or might have been come across. My question to you is, what you're going to next? What you're going to do next? Because the situation is going to over. Assuming that you are having your goal in your life. Sir, I'm going to be such a X, Y, Z in my profession. And this pandemic, because of this pandemic, many of our people lost their job, then coming back to India. I've seen some of my friends came from USA, where even the countries asking them to come back, they are reluctant to go there. Some of my friends came from UK, US, anywhere else, even in Arab countries. But don't worry, this pandemic, really, even when we are isolated or when we are alone, how can we develop our personal skills, and which is going to help us in future. And when it comes to know, some of us might have been joined new volunteers, and happy NSS day, because I started my 11th, 12th in NSS, Raila College Municipal High Secondary School. I had a great opportunity to meet that education minister then, Dr. Arivalagan. By the time I had a very close contact, and we had an interaction with that time. That much of unique people I met through NSS. Even I put a lot of roads, a lot of trees are cut and clear the roads, everything we had done. So which added my quality as a leader, because the leadership started from me when I studied in school. Even NCC, NSS, Scout, everything I came across. Even 2 years before, I was a chief guest for in your college. That was a direct interaction. That was my first visit. Principal doctor might have been referred the 2 years before, since I started to have a very good relationship. And the last year we had a lot of program. Due to this pandemic, just we stopped down to visiting colleges because the college is not working. Right now, I'm going to have some views about how can you develop your personality when you are alone. Normally, we will say that empty mind is a devil's workshop, right? But here, what pandemic made me stronger? Actually, one of my friend came to he was affected by corona, and before corona he was something different. After corona he came from, and just had an opportunity to talk with him. He said, "Sir, corona made me something different. Now I don't know, I never had a panic for anything, because just I'm a verge of my death and I came back and now I'm being normal." But everybody need not want to go to that situation. Thank God that we have a very good immune system. As doctor said, if you are immunely well, physically and mentally. Normally, when you are taking a very good intake in physical in such a right manner, it's also very much related for your mental health. Because if we are physically fit, we can do the physical work. When we are mentally fit, we can do the both physical and mental work. Here in future, definitely there are going to be a job market. There are going to be a lot of competitions and everything. Right? How can we develop such a small things while we are sitting in a home? Sir, what next, sir? Have any questions there? Madam, is it any questions in the chat box? Or shall I proceed?
Yeah, no, sir, that's not any question.
Okay, no problem. Assuming that whatever their question, just I'm answering, assuming that, okay. So it is not, it doesn't matter how many people you are, it matters that how you are, right? First thing, normally when we are alone, our mind will go here and there, what next, what to do, or something like that. If assuming that what next, you have a career goal. So this is what I'm going for. This is the place where I'm going to fit myself. What are the things to be developed within me so that I can meet many people? Actually, I visited a lot of government schools and in and around Erode, Coimbatore, and somewhere else. Even in Erode colleges, people came from the urban villages and they felt a lot of pandemic. There is a lot of fear and panic because of their communication skills. Right. Now I am alone. What can I do myself to be a very energetic person? Similarly, I'm also affecting because of this pandemic, because I cannot go away that give the direct lectures to the schools, colleges, and everywhere. But still, I'm conducting a lot of Zoom programs. What I learned through this pandemic period, how can I be a impact personality? What are the things that I wanted to have? I developed my communication skill, I developed my linguistic skill, I developed my public speaking, and whatnot, the NLP, the hypnosis, everything. So what you can do, just to draw a circle, what are the things just you wanted to go to job? See, I will tell you one thing, there is no unemployment. The one word is called unemployable, because the company is expecting such a qualities from the students where we have to cope up with their needs or their expectations. When you start up to near their expects, then you can get a job. It doesn't mean there is a job market, there is going to be a heavy competition. Yes, it is going to be there, no doubt. But this time you can develop your interpersonal skills and intrapersonal skills. Normally, we are spending our energy, as this told by the doctor, we are spending our energy within ourselves and with others. When we are thinking within ourselves, close your eyes and think something good or bad. If you think good things, your muscles will tune accordingly. If you think bad, your muscles will turn accordingly. And we are fighting with ourselves, what I'm going to do, where I'm going to land up, and what are the problem. I don't have a good communication skill, I don't have a return skill, I don't have an aptitude, attitude, how I'm going to take. So this internal dialogue, what will happen, it will reflect in the external world. That's called in ancient we said agathin mugathil theriyum, or the external world that reflects the internal world. வெளி உலகம் தோற்றம் என்பது உள்ளுலக தோற்றத்தை சம்பந்தப்பட்டது. So what I'm thinking about myself, what I'm thinking going to project myself. Even if you ask Aishwarya Rai, do you happy with your futures, that your beauty and everything, definitely will say that, sir, if my ears are like this little bit, it will have been beauty. So I'm talking about the internal beauty which reflects your success. How internally peace you are, externally you can mend like anything. If you are internally suffering, fighting with your own qualities, normally what we will do, sir, I don't have a language knowledge, I don't have a communication knowledge, I don't know how to write resume. No. When you talk about more no's, obviously you will reflect no. So the external world also reflects the same thing. Instant, how you are communicating with your mind to your tongue, that's called 14 inches, heart to brain, that's going to be a successful one. As doctor said, when you are taking a nice food, like nice calories, I never tasted pizza in my life so far, and hereafter also I'm not going to taste. So food is also very important. And when you are sitting at the room, just spend 5 minutes, first to 5 minutes, just to draw a circle. Today I'm going to read this subject. Today I'm going to develop for my own thing, communication, how to develop my communication. Take a dictionary, take 10-15 minutes every day, at least a few words. If you're coming across minimum 30-40 days, you would have been learn more than 1,000 words or maybe 500 words. You know one thing, even when you are speaking in our own mother tongue, we are not using more than 2,000 words. When you are speaking other languages, even we are not using more than 500 words, which was doctor mentioned. So our language problem is mainly because of our words, vocabulary. Go to dictionary, refer the dictionary. I'm not asking you to speak Shakespeare English, but there is something which has to be communicated, which will be understand, and you have to communicate easily. So you have to read the dictionary and do physical exercises, and for mental, you have to do the meditation. Or if you are interested in the meditation, I'm not asking you to go to do the lot of things. Just after refreshing yourself, sit in a calm, just to sitting in a sukhasana, that's called a sukhasana like this, and just watch your breath, so that there is a connection between your breath and your mind. And when your breath is getting lower and lower, your mind will go up freely. When you are angry, your breath will be more fast. When you are calm, your breath is very, very normal, even the frequency is high. Then you can reach your alpha, beta, theta, gamma level so that you can visualize everything. Sir, what is the significance? Why should I learn all these things? It is very much related about your intrapersonal skills. That's called how you are communicating. For example, if someone is communicating themselves within them, I am good, I am looking good, I am becoming better and better and better. So what will happen? This mind will emit the thoughts to the troposphere. Similarly, like-minded people will come together. This is what happening in the universe. Like if I'm making some 10-digit number, it connects to somebody else mobile. How it happened? It's all to the tower, tower to tower, and from tower to mobile connects. Similarly, your mind also things connect. So what is mind? Where it is? How can I tune my mind? This is all what you can do within yourself. Therefore, that you need not want to have an external thing, but you have to learn little bit things. You know, for a big achievement, do you think you have to work for such a big things to do that? No, 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 no. Only doing by a small things, you can go to the any top of the height. A little bit, step by step, step by step, step by step. If you are a first year, you have another 2 or 3 years to develop your English skill. And if you are a final year, still it's a time for you to develop maybe 2 or 3 months. That's enough for you to develop your skills. So the major 10 skills that you have to develop: communication skill, comprehensive skill, and resume preparation, mock interview, group discussion, aptitude, like this. So these are all the things. I'll tell you one thing, lot of things are inbuilt with us. That's called default programs in our mind. Certain things, it can be changed. This default program can be changed by the NLP techniques and hypnosis. For example, somebody told you that you are not good at English. Because of that, we never try to go beyond that. Further, I would like to say one story. There was a village person, he's having 3 donkeys. Just he was taking the donkeys towards the river. While he was nearing the river, he thought of going to have a bath in the river. Unfortunately, he's having only 2 ropes. He's having a 3 donkey. He want to tie the 3rd donkey, but he don't know how to do that. By the time a wise man was crossing and he asking, what are you looking for? The donkey man said, I have a 3 donkey, I have 2 ropes, but the 3rd donkey, I don't know how to tie it. This gentleman said, don't worry, just tie the 2 donkeys before this donkey so that I will be tied like this. Then the 3rd donkey, even you don't have a rope, just do like this. Just you are tying the knot to the donkey so that it won't go away. He did like that and he went bath, he came back. And after bath, everything's over, he started to push the donkey. The 2 donkey, he untied the 2 ropes, and the 3rd one he didn't tie. He tried to push, but the 3rd donkey didn't move. He was wondering what happened to the 3rd donkey. Even I didn't tie it. But the same wise man came again. I said, have you removed the knot? The donkey man said, sir, I didn't tie it. But you know that, but the donkey didn't know that it is being tied. So he acted as he did previously. He untied the knot, then he tried to walk. The donkey also joined like this. Similarly, our mind, it's a wonderful, beautiful thing which is going to develop, which is going to support you in all aspects. In mental program, in mental health, how to think good things, how to do the good thoughts, how to develop your interpersonal things, how to develop your confidence. These are all the things that you have to develop. So when you have to think the confident building, you have to go and read some positive mental attitudes, or you have to listen. A lot of YouTubes are available right now, and go for the YouTubes and search for such a beautiful videos, and you started to practice. Practice makes perfection. Knowledge is not going to help. Implement the knowledge what you learned so far, and it is the right time for you to learn the many arts. Try to learn many languages, try to read many books, try to read. See, now we are connect but not by touching. We are connect by not we are social, we are maintaining the social distance. I'm talking from Coimbatore, some of you listening from somewhere else. How we are connecting? The digital technology helps us to you know develop more. Yeah, do you have any questions?
Students, if you have any questions, please use Q&A section.
Is it interesting going now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. You can unmute and you can speak. Right, fine. So now we have this due to this time that assuming that everything just you are listening. You know, normally two types of students. If there is no doubt, there won't be any questions. If I don't know anything, if I didn't understand anything, there won't be any doubts. Assuming you are in the first position. Right. Now, when you talk about the skills that we are requiring, you know, first you have to learn when you are sitting alone, interpersonal skills, the intrapersonal skills. That is how you are communicating to you. I know it's a very good example. And one of my friend, he was very lean, and he don't know how to build his body. What he did was he went to in front of the mirror and look at his body in front of the mirror, that he visualized himself that he needs V, hip shape and broad chest and like that. Believe it or not, after 6 months, this guy became beautiful personality. And if you want to develop your communication skill, just to take a notes of a particular topic, go and stand in front of the dressing room table mirror and speak, and you can visualize and you can listen how you are speaking. Even now we have a laptop, we have a camera. So sit in a camera, watch your body language and speak something, record something, and just turn back and see, I'm not using like that, or something. So you have to be very good thing. When you practice like this, you will be very easily able to attend the question, tell me something about yourself. That was going to be the major question in your interview techniques. And the group discussion, how to develop the group discussion topic. So you have to develop your knowledge of reading books. So you command yourself, communicate your brain with a positive words. How to start the positive day. Normally, what will you do? When we open our eyes, immediately our hand will go to the mobile, tuck what are the messages comes to us. No, stop this. Just keep your mobile for 10-15 minutes. Just open your eyes and rub like this and say, thank God that you are given a very wonderful day. Slowly turn around, put your legs in the ground and sit a few minutes, 20 seconds, create a happiness. Create a happiness within you. Just when you started to create a happiness, the whole day is going to be a happy thing. Do the right thing in the first time. And one more thing that we have to remember, I want to wake up at around 5 o'clock. Normally, what will you do? We will keep our alarm, and 5 o'clock we will snooze it and we will sleep again. And what I used to do, I never keep alarm. Because I wanted to wake up around 4 o'clock, I command my mind, say I wanted to wake up 4 o'clock. Exactly if I open, it might be 3:55 or 3:59, not more than 4 o'clock, because I practice my mind. So what you have to do, sir, I know that I can't wake up around 5 o'clock. Keep your alarm 5:10, okay? But you have to take a decision. I'm not going to snooze it. That's it. Once the 5:10 is over, switch off, that is a snooze, don't snooze it, and wake up and say thank to the world, and go and stand in front of the mirror. I am the happiest, healthiest, most beautiful in the world. I'm going to conquer many things. What are things going to achieve by me? I'm going to do that. The positive affirmations. Always speak positive. Always speak what you want. These are all things when you can alone, you can do yourself. That's develop your interpersonal skill. And when you develop this skill, So சட்டியில இருந்த அகப்பையில or what is there inside, it will come out. I need courage. Where you have to develop your courage, not by action. Inside you have to develop cultivate the habit of bravery. I want to be sir, I don't want to be a lazy. No. You have to be a very fast person. You have to be a very brisk person. You have to develop the briskness in yourself, not the laziness. We always try to speak what you don't want. I don't want to be like this. I don't want to be like this. Your mind will accept, yes, you want to be like this. Instant speak. What do you want? I am going to be the best person in the world. I am going to conquer what are things available in the things. These are all the things which will help you to develop, and it will, when you started to practice this, definitely your mind will support you. It will say, hey, nee alla engappa. Then you have to overcome that and say, no, I'm going to be like this. We have to keep our things. We have to listen our heart and the mind. So you have to develop, you can, so that you have ample time. Big books, or then you have a positive mental attitude books. You keep for your exercise habit. You know one thing, in this pandemic, I reduced my 9 kgs weight by doing simple yogas and other things. So even you can do this. Any questions?
So what is the right way to put our own interest in front of others?
Pardon?
What is the right way to put
Uh-huh.
our own interest in front of others?
Why you want to show your interest? Why you want to show in the right way? What is the right way exactly for you?
To be frank and open-hearted to present in front of others.
No need to do that. There is nothing the world called right or wrong. Somebody maybe differ some other way. For me, what are things I am projecting, what are things I'm doing, it's the right way. It doesn't mean there is no such a thing. See, people are having different attitudes and different things. For example, if I wanted to say something not to do that, yes, or do that, very simple way. See, whatever things you are doing good, it's better. But if you do another way, show the different way and project this, he will accept. Okay, fine. I think now we are coming to the verge of this session. Really, I would like to thank Principal Sir. Thank you, sir, and I hope you are in line now. And thank you, Jasmine Madam, for being invited me. And thank you, Madam, the coordinator, Madam, who is coordinating. And thank you for the great opportunity, these things. And just I wanted to say something. Last year, I took my secretaryship. This year, Dr. Devadas Menon is retired. Devadas Menon is going to be a secretary, and I took a Best Club Secretary Award 1920 from Rotary District 3201. That is 149 clubs, and because of the projects we did along with AJK, the tree plantation in Pichanur School, few projects in our college itself. It gave us a mileage. Because of that, the coordination with the NSS, still we would like to give more coordinations. Thank you so much. Thank you for being invited me in this wonderful day. Really, NSS volunteers, it is going to be an amazing day, rest of your life. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your speech. Really, we will look into forward. Okay.
Now I cordially invite Subbalakshmi, second BBA, to deliver her NSS experiences.
Respected chief guest, principal, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Subbalakshmi K. In second year BBSCA, AJK College of Arts and Science, Namakara. Our head Mrs. Jasmine P. Ma'am. Our group name, Sanitation Management. This group we done many ideas and activities for extra, created the short videos, poster, etc. As a part of COVID-19 situation, based our homework and surrounding work process and protected against the givers. All credit and support goes to our daughter Jasmine Priya ma'am and our college. I like NSS very much. Thank you so much. Your love and support, ma'am.
Now, I cordially invite G.R. Janani.
ஆக்சுவலாக என்னோட என்எஸ்எஸ் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸை பற்றி சொல்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்எஸ்எஸ்ல நான் என்னென்ன கற்றுக்கிட்டேன்னு சொல்லணும். மெயினாக வந்துட்டு அக்செப்டன்ஸ் அண்ட் அட்ஜஸ்ட்மெண்ட். என்எஸ்எஸ்க்கு வர்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி எனக்கு உண்மையாக சொல்ல போனோம்னா இந்த ரெண்டுமே கிடையாது. ஒருத்தர் சொல்கிறத அக்செப்ட் பண்ணிக்கக்கூடிய தன்மையும் கிடையாது, அக்செப்டன்ஸ் அட்ஜஸ்ட்மெண்ட் சுத்தமாகவே இல்லை. அதுக்கப்புறம் லீடர்ஷிப் குவாலிட்டி கண்டிப்பாக என்எஸ்எஸ்ல இருந்து தான் கற்றுக்கிட்டேன். ஒருத்தவங்களை எப்படி மெயின்டைன் பண்ணணும், ஒபே பண்ணணும், அது எல்லாமே வந்துட்டு கண்டிப்பாக என்எஸ்எஸ்ல இருந்து தான். என்எஸ்எஸ் தான் எனக்கு கற்றுக் கொடுத்தது. நம்ம என்னென்னலாம் இந்த கடந்த 2 வருஷமாக வந்துட்டு நான் என்எஸ்எஸ்ல இருக்கேன். 2 வருஷம் பண்ணதை இவ்வளோ ஷார்ட் டைமில் சொல்ல முடியாது, பட் நான் மோரோவர் கவர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ட்ரை பண்ணுறேன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்துட்டு பொதுமக்களுக்கு நாங்கள் என்னென்ன பணி செஞ்சுருக்கோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சொல்லணும்னா, இங்கே நவக்கரையில் வந்துட்டு ஒரு நூலகம் இருக்கு. அதை புதுப்பிச்சு வெள்ளையடிச்சு நாற்காலி மேசை எல்லாம் வாங்கி கொடுத்து அதை சீர் செஞ்சுருக்கோம். மரக்கன்று மெயினாக வந்துட்டு மரம் எல்லாம் வெட்டி அழிச்சிட்டு இருக்காங்க. நிறைய மரக்கன்கள் மற்றும் பனை விதைகள் எல்லாம் வேஸ்ட்டாக போகிற பனை விதைகள் எல்லாம் எடுத்து அது வந்துட்டு உற்பத்தி செஞ்சு மரமாக நட்டிருக்கோம். திடக்கழிவு மேலாண்மை விழிப்புணர்வு நிகழ்ச்சிகள் வந்துட்டு நிறைய பண்ணியிருக்கோம். என்ன விழிப்புணர்வு பார்த்தோம்னா, பிளாஸ்டிக் ஒழிப்பு விழிப்புணர்வு, அப்புறம் போதைப் பொருட்களை ஒழித்தல், சிறு சேமிப்பின் அவசியம், சிறு சேமிப்பின் அவசியம் குறித்து எல்லாருக்கும் உண்டியலெல்லாம் அளிச்சிருக்கோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் பிச்சனூர் ஸ்கூலில் வந்துட்டு நாங்கள் 6 days வந்துட்டு கேம்ப் போட்டிருந்தோம். அப்போ பார்த்தோன்னா வந்துட்டு டீச்சர்ஸ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸோட ரிலேஷன்ஷிப் எப்படி இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அதுக்குண்டான பயிற்சிகள். அப்புறம் கணினி, இன்னைக்கு வந்துட்டு கம்ப்யூட்டர் இல்லாமல் எதுவுமே இல்லை, அதோட அவசியத்தை வலியுறுத்தி நிறைய ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ் பண்ணணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் மூலிகை தோட்டம் வந்துட்டு இங்கே நிறைய அழிஞ்சிட்டு இருக்கு. அதனால அங்கே ஸ்கூல்லேயே வந்துட்டு பெர்மிஷன் வாங்கி அங்கே ஒரு மூலிகை தோட்டம்லாம் அமைச்சு அது இப்போ வரைக்கும் பார்க்கும்போது கூட அதை பார்க்கும்போது ஹாப்பியாக தான் இருக்கு. இதெல்லாமே வந்துட்டு என்எஸ்எஸ்னால தான் நாங்கள் பண்ண முடிஞ்சது. நாம் எல்லோருக்கும் உதவி செய்திட முடியாது, ஆனால் வந்துட்டு நம்ம எல்லோருக்கும் உதவி செய்திட முடியும். We can't see the God directly, but we can feel the presence of God while we serving or helping to others. அதனால இதோட இல்லாம இன்னும் நிறைய பேர் என்எஸ்எஸ்ல சேர்ந்து ஒர்க் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு கேட்டுக்கிறேன். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் திஸ் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி. நன்றி.
Next, we are going to present 2 videos. First of all, first video is about COVID-19 presentation done by Harshit, followed by second one, there is a dance performance.
तू कमाल का, बातें भी कमाल की। सैया तू कमाल का, बातें भी कमाल की। लगा रंग जो तेरा, हुई मैं कमाल की। प्रेम रतन धन पायो, प्रेम रतन धन पायो, रत मिलन की लायो। प्रेम रतन धन पायो, मैंने प्रेम रतन धन पायो।
அச்சுவல்ல தொண்டக்காரி, ஐயா ரெண்டு பல்லுக்காரி, ஐர மீன் கண்ணுக்காரி. பூவாலொரு போடு போட்டா செய்வ காட்டு வேட்டக்காரி.
காதல் வச்சோண்டி ராவில் பூச்சாண்டி, பச்சை தண்ணி ஒத்த பார்வையில் பத்த வெச்சாண்டி.
By this, we have reached the end of our today's section. Let me call upon Sarmishta, second year BSc CS, to deliver vote of thanks. Welcome you, Sarmishta.
Good evening to all. It's given me an immense pleasure to deliver vote of thanks for this event to all dignitaries assembled here. I would like to thank our chief guests, Dr. Annadurai sir and Sridhar sir, who honored this function with their inspirational thoughts. I would like to thank our beloved secretary sir, principal, teachers, students, participants, and last but not least, our beloved volunteers for making this function as a good grand success. Once again, I thank one and all present here. Thank you.